What if I told you that the fountain of youth isn't a mythical spring hidden in a jungle, but something you have access to 3 times a day? It's your fork. We spend billions on creams, serums, and cosmetic procedures trying to turn back the clock. But the most powerful anti-aging tool you own is sitting in your kitchen. The truth is, aging isn't just about wrinkles and gray hair. At a cellular level, aging is the slow accumulation of damage, oxidation, inflammation, and the shortening of our telomeres, the protective caps at the end of our DNA. You can't stop the calendar, but you can absolutely slow down the biological clock. And you do that by feeding your body the nutrients it needs to repair, defend, and regenerate. Today, I'm going to give you the ultimate grocery list. Based on decades of nutritional science and longevity research, these are the top 5 anti-aging foods you should eat daily. These aren't exotic, expensive superfoods from faraway lands. They are accessible, delicious, and scientifically proven to fight aging from the inside out. Let's start with number 5, the humble berry. At number 5, we have blueberries. And really any deeply pigmented berry like blackberries or raspberries. Why are they so powerful? It comes down to one word: anthocyanins. That's the pigment that gives them their deep, almost black-blue color. In the body, these act as heavy-duty antioxidants. Think of oxidation like rust forming on your cells. Every day your body generates free radicals, unstable molecules that bounce around and damage your DNA, leading to wrinkles, cognitive decline, and disease. Blueberries are nature's rust-proofing agent. They cross the blood-brain barrier, meaning they actually go straight to your brain to neutralize damage and improve communication between neurons. Studies have shown that eating a cup of blueberries daily can improve memory in older adults and delay cognitive aging by up to 2.5 years. Plus, they're high in vitamin C, which your body needs to produce collagen, the protein that keeps your skin plump and firm. So, for glowing skin and a sharp mind, make blueberries your daily breakfast staple. Moving on to number 4, leafy greens. We're talking spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and arugula. These greens are packed with vitamin K, which is essential for bone health and preventing calcification of your arteries. But the real star here is nitrates. When you eat greens, the bacteria in your mouth convert these nitrates into nitric oxide. What does that do? It dilates your blood vessels, lowering blood pressure and improving blood flow to your skin and organs. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your face, giving you that natural, healthy glow no highlighter can replicate. Aim for at least 1 generous serving of dark leafy greens every single day. Now, number 3, nuts, specifically walnuts and almonds. A handful of nuts a day is one of the most consistent findings in longevity studies. Walnuts, in particular, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce systemic inflammation, the root cause of aging. They also contain high levels of vitamin E, which protects your skin from UV damage and helps maintain cell membranes. Think of them as your daily skin shield. Just a small 1-ounce handful, that's about 14 walnut halves, can reduce your risk of heart disease and keep your telomeres longer, effectively preserving the youth of your cells. We are in the top number 2 now. At number 2, we have the heavy hitters of the vegetable world: cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. These aren't just health foods, they are biological detoxifiers. They contain a compound called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is like a cellular janitor. It activates a pathway in your body called NRF2, which triggers over 200 anti-aging genes to turn on. What does that mean for you? It means your body becomes better at detoxifying environmental pollutants, metabolizing hormones, and clearing out damaged cells. Sulforaphane has even been shown to protect your skin from UV radiation when eaten regularly. But here is the secret to getting the most out of them. You have to chop them. When you chop broccoli or Brussels sprouts, you activate an enzyme that maximizes sulforaphane production. Let them sit for about 40 minutes before cooking or eat them lightly steamed. They are non-negotiable if you want to protect your DNA and keep your body resilient. And finally, the #1 anti-aging food you should eat daily, or at least several times a week, is fatty fish. Wild-caught salmon, sardines, and mackerel. This is the undisputed king of longevity foods. Why? 2 reasons: omega-3s and astaxanthin. The omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, are the building blocks of your brain. They reduce neuroinflammation, keeping your mind sharp and protecting against Alzheimer's. But more importantly, omega-3s maintain the integrity of your cell membranes. Youthful cells are flexible and hydrated. As we age, our cell membranes stiffen. Omega-3s keep them fluid. And astaxanthin, the pigment that makes salmon pink, is one of the most powerful antioxidants on the planet. It specifically targets mitochondrial damage, the energy centers of your cells, keeping your metabolism youthful and your skin protected from the inside out. So, to wrap this up, if you want to age gracefully, don't just think about what you're removing from your diet. Think about what you are adding. Start your day with blueberries on your oatmeal. Have a massive leafy green salad with a handful of walnuts for lunch. Steam some broccoli as a side with dinner. And eat salmon 3 times a week. Food is information. Every bite sends a signal to your genes to either build and protect or to decay. Choose the foods that tell your body to thrive. Because getting older is mandatory. Looking and feeling old? That is a choice. And it starts today with what you put on your plate. Thank you.